Matthew, I can't believe this day is finally here.
I get excited thinking about our long-term future together.
I couldn't imagine my life without you. You are my best friend and my biggest supporter through good times and bad times.
Us working together is the most important thing for our future, trusting and supporting one another in every decision we make as a team.
You will make the best husband, and I know you will be a wonderful dad. The future is bright for us, my love.
You make me so happy with your silly dances and your weird sayings. I never want to lose that.
I love you so damn much, and I am so excited to spend the rest of my life with you.
We can be so carefree and comfortable around each other, truly just being ourselves. That is why we're so good together. That is why I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you, Amanda.
You make passion, love, and madness combine, and my love is constantly growing stronger for you. As I sit here trying to end this letter, I think back on the 5 years we've been together. They have been the best 5 years of my life, and I look forward to so many more. I can't wait to be your wife, to love somebody the way I love you.
Do you both promise to continue to work with each other and to build on this love? To speak openly and honestly, to listen to one another, and to maintain the respect and the trust that has already grown between the two of you, and to love and cherish one another for all of your days ahead? If so, look at one another and say, "We do."
We do. With this ring,
I thee wed,
I pledge unto you from this day forward.
my love and faithfulness.
I will now pronounce you husband and wife.
I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Matthew and Amanda Wenger.
Matt, you light up Mandy's life. You have a way about you that makes her laugh. You are the most perfect mesh into our fun, chaotic, and loving family.
I wish you every joy and happiness that life has to offer. To Mr. and Mrs. Matthew and Amanda Wenger.
And Pet and I could not think of a better person to finally call a sister in our lives. Just like we couldn't think of a better person for our brother to spend the rest of his life with.
You're absolutely perfect for Matt. Everyone can see the connection between you two.
I am just as happy to gain a brother as they are to gain a sister. Matt, welcome to the family. Mandy, I am extremely happy for you. I love you.
always and forever.